Question number 3, you have to find the missing term in boxes and the given terms are in AP. आपके पास जो टर्म्स हैं वो AP में गिवन है और आपको ये बॉक्सेस में नंबर्स बताने हैं कि क्या नंबर्स आएंगे. Come to the first part. Let us suppose the middle term is x. Let us suppose the middle term is x. So it is 2x and 26. What is the first term? First term a is 2. Let common difference is equals to d. हमने common difference क्या मान लिया? d मान लिया. Now here 1, 2, 3. It is the third term. Third term is equals to 26. Right? And third term is a plus 2d is equals to 26. What is a? A is 2. So 2 plus 2d is equals to 26 and 2d is equals to 26 minus 2, that is 24. 2d is equals to 24 and d is equals to 12. तो आपके पास d कितना आ गया? 12 आ गया. And how can we find the second term? Second term हमको कैसे मिलती है? Second term will be a2. a2 will be a plus d. So what is a? A is 2 and d is 12. So second term will be 14. Second term समझ में आया कैसे आया? It is 14. Now come to the second part. In second part, first term, let first term equals to a. Let first term be a and common difference be d. आपने मान लिया फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है a और कॉमन डिफरेंस आपने d मान लिया. इट इज द सेकंड टर्म a2. It is the second term. a2 is equals to 13. So we can write a2 as a plus d. So a plus d is equal to 13. It is the equation number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the fourth term is 3 and we can write a4 is equals to a plus 3d is equals to 3. So it is the second equation. Now we can solve a and d by elimination method. So it will be a plus d is equals to 13. Change the sign, minus minus minus. It will be cut. 3 minus 1 is 2d and 3 minus 13 is minus 10. There implies d is equals to minus 5. So what will be the first term? So substitute d is equals to minus 5 in equation number 1. So it will be a plus minus 5 is equals to 13. It will be a is equals to 13 plus 5 is equals to 18. So first term is equals to 18 and what will be the third term? Third term will be a plus 2d. So it is a3. What will be the a3? a3 is a plus 2d. A is 18 and d is minus 5. So it will be 18 minus 10. It is 8. So the third term is 8 and the first term is 18. Come to the third part. In third part, first term a is equals to 5 and let common difference is equals to d. First term आपको क्या given है? a और common difference हमने क्या मान लिया? d. Now the same pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. a4. What is a4? It is 9 to the 18 plus 1, 19 over 2. And what is a4? a4 will be a plus 3d is equals to 19 over 2. A is given, a is 5. So substitute the value of a, it is 5 plus 3d is equals to 19 over 2. So 3d is equals to 19 over 2 minus 5. So it will be 19 minus 10 over 2. It will be 9 over 2. Then 3d is equals to 9 over 2. 3 3s are 9. That implies d is equals to 3 over 2. d की वैल्यू आ गई आपके पास and you have to find the second term. So a2 will be a plus d. What is a? A is 5. D is 3 over 2. 5 to the 10 plus 3, 13 over 2. So a2 will be 13 over 2 and a3 will be a plus 2d. It will be a plus 2 into d. D is 3/2, 2 से 2 cancel हो गया, and what is the value of A? The value of A is 5, so it will be 5 plus 3, 8. So second term is 13/2 and third term is 8. Now come to the fourth part. In fourth part, first term को हम A से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, so it is -4. Let common difference is equals to D, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 sixth term means A6 is equals to 6, और A6 के प्लेस पे हम क्या रख सकते हैं? A plus 5D is equals to 6. A की वैल्यू हमें गिवन है, A is equals to -4 plus 5D is equals to 6. There implies 5D is equals to 6 plus 4. So it is 10. Then 5D is equals to 10 and D is equals to 2. तो जैसे ही आपके पास D आ जाता है, आप सारी टर्म्स इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं. नाउ सेकेंड टर्म A2 is A plus D. What is A? A is -4. -4 plus 2. It is -2. What is third term? A3. A3 will be A plus 2D. A is -4 and D is 4. It is 4. It is 0. What is A4? A4 will be A plus 3D. What is A? A is -4 and D is 2. It will be 6. Then 6 -4 plus 6 will be plus 2. And what will be the fifth term? Fifth term is A plus 4D. A is -4 and D is 2. It will be 8 and 8 minus 4 is 4. So A2 is -2, A3 is 0, A4 is +2 and A5 is 4. Fifth part of question number 3. Again you have to find the missing terms, but in this part first term is not given. So students, when first term is not given, you have the two unknown terms, first term and the common difference. In this case, two equations are formed and we solved it by the elimination method. So let the first term is equals to A, and the common difference is equals to D. So it is second term. Second term हमको given है A2 is equals to 38. So we can write A2 is equals to A plus D is 38. Let us suppose it is equation number 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sixth term. It is sixth term. A6 is equals to -22. So we can write A6 as A plus 5D. A plus 5D is equals to -22. And we can solve equation number 1 and equation 2 by elimination method. We get A plus D is equals to 38. Now change the sign and it is cut. My plus 5 minus 1 is equals to plus 4D, and it will be 8 and 2 10, 3 2 5 and 1 6. So D is equals to -15. D की वैल्यू आपके पास आ चुकी है. Now substitute D as -15 in equation number 1. A plus -15 is equals to 38. So, A is equals to 38 plus 15, that is 13 3 4 5. A is equals to 53. तो जैसे ही आपके पास A और D की वैल्यूज आ जाती हैं तो आप सारे टर्म्स इजीली निकाल सकते हैं. तो फर्स्ट टर्म तो आपके पास आ ही चुका है, दैट इज 53. सेकेंड टर्म है. नाउ कम टू द थर्ड टर्म. A3 is equals to A plus 2D. What is A? A is 53 and D is -15. 2 into -15, that is 53 minus 30, and it will be 23. So आपके पास थर्ड टर्म आ गया. Now fourth term will be A plus 3D. What is A? A is 53 and D is -15. So it will be 53 minus 45, and it will be 13 minus 5, 8. So A4 will be 8 and A5 will be A plus 4D. What is A? A is 53 and D will be -15. It will be 53 minus 60 and it will be 10 minus 3 7. It is A5 5 is equals to -7. So it is the A5,